Test, test.
30 Zulu weather. Wind 080 at 6. Visibility missing. Sky condition, few clouds at 100, 4,600 scattered. Ceiling 9,000 broken. Temperature 33 Celsius. 2.23 Celsius. Altimeter 3003. Remarks. Density altitude 3,000.
3003. Okay, we're ready to taxi. Feels good to put your arm out. Have your noise canceling on. Test, test. Put that right on your lips.
Yes.
Okay. Adjust volume on your box.
Up 6,500 for 051.
What was that?
Regional approach. I've got them down on monitor, the radio I use for monitor.
35.37, 0 Tango X-ray.
Kind of puffy clouds.
Little puffy clouds. Probably about 4,000. We're going to be way below that on our photo mission.
I'm over at Tammy's house. I'll see if anybody's there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's for 051. I think we got a stuck mic. We're kind of messing with it.
Checklist.
Roger, 051.
Passenger briefing. You've got your shoulder strap, seat belt. Unlock the door if we have to land off the airport. Flight instruments. Electric flaps work. Engine run up. Go ahead and check final. Good. Whole short line. Lock my door, your door's down, locked. Seatbelts on, secure. I'll close the windows when we get on our departure. Okay, good to go. Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 1802 Victor, taking the active 15, departing 15 to the southeast, Cleburne.
Cleburne traffic, taking the active 15.
Thank you for that. Pull in a little air before we turn off the air conditioning.
Heading 330 Bravo Delta.
Runway heading is 153. Air timer start. Altitude reporting. Close the windows. Rock and roll. advance the throttle, full throttle. $64.
Don't jerk it up.
That's what, yeah, it wants to fly itself. There's that. DC-3. C-47.
Why didn't you go talk to him?
Heading 340 down to
Because we got a photo mission. You can see Nolan River Road right there.
Yeah,
Well,
go over Tammy's.
I will.
I'm loosening this harness. Can't stand it.
Good for me.
The tower.
Yep. About 300 feet AGL. We'll be way above that.
Airport inside, Bravo Delta.
Go over a little bit to your side. All's well. I want a swimming pool.
What'd you say?
I want a swimming pool.
Well, pick one. Bunch down there. I'm going to go up to about 2,200. We can descend a little bit. We'll get over his property.
Motion bid private, please. C8 Mike Romeo. 10 mile right base for runway 17. Full stop, post.
Seneca 051, you're exiting Class Bravo airspace now, altitude is your discretion. Contact Waco approach on 127.65.
127.65, thanks, 051.
I want some property right there and all that greenery that runs along that river.
Yeah, I think that's Buffalo Creek, actually. Okay, Glenn's is over there. We got the oil.
Oh, I
there.
see it.
Yeah. Get your camera. A little bumpy. We're going to stay low, but it'll be bumpy.
How long is that rig going to be up?
He said it'd be down by Tuesday. That's why we're...
How come it's such a short-lived rig?
I don't know if they're reworking a hole or that part of the drilling process is over. I'm not sure.
Cessna 908 Tango 5 miles east of UPW will inbound with runway 17 approach. Traffic 9 miles north of the airport for runway 15 traffic.
Pretty good view right there.
Given traffic 39 is 8 miles north of the airport for runway 15 traffic.
Okay, that's Cleburne. He's north of the airport.
Is there nobody living in that house now?
No, he says the roof's falling in.
What happened to that family that was there?
I think they just abandoned it.
Oh my gosh. That's a shame.
Given traffic 39 is 6 miles north of the airport for runway 15 given traffic.
Visual approach experimental jet 6171 Mike, good afternoon with you.
Bravo 6171 Mike, regional approach, or good afternoon.
Ah, it's bumpy. This camera is
Fort Worth Spain.
can't
Affirmative, I'm heading about 8 miles out of Spain.
get it.
To come straight for landing, I have the Lima.
Traffic, King Air 425 Alpha Pop about 10 to the northeast inbound to 19 Burnaby.
Given traffic, Turkey 960 kilo is 4 miles north of the airport for runway 15, given traffic.
Is that a student?
Could be a student with an instructor. A lot of them fly out of Arlington. There's a couple of schools there in Arlington.
There's some crappy property along here.
And then there's schools at Beecham. So you don't know. A lot of the students are from India.
This rig has built its own little retaining pond.
Regional approach November 520 Charlie Delta.
So that's the water and the that they use.
Sorry, say again?
The water and the mud that they use.
Given traffic, Turkey 960 kilo is final for runway 15, given traffic.
You should buzz Scott while we're out here, and then go buzz Rob's new house.
Okay, that'd be over downtown.
I've got plenty of pictures of that.
Okay, let's swing around.